George Straube!
I think I missed it. Oh well. George Straube, you're up! How do you do? How do you do?
He lost.
Barely, but he did. Damn.
So,
He's out.
alright, so we got Hayden in.
Tracy.
Well, is there another super stock race?
I thought there was after this one.
So the winners.
I thought there was after this one. So then Gracie would go.
So the Marine Corps League one.
I'm gonna.
The MI POW is done. And the Heartland still has to go.
Okay, so I could go ahead and turn this one in then.
Ask first.
Okay.
I don't want to, because we tried that with one car, you said, and
Yeah.
oops. And it went and ran.
I'll go check it out.
Okay, I'll go down here and ask.
All right. All right. How we doing?
Lane one.
And your winner, lane one, Myla Harris.
Myla Harris. All right. Let's go.
In the starter's ramp, lane one, Bob Seegers. Lane two, Matthew Boudreau.
Remember, when we get up, we're going to have to lift the car up. Turn this off. Hold on.